Hey everyone, welcome back to entertainmentbuddha.com. Just want to give you a quick look at my new Droid phone, the HTC Thunderbolt. What you see now is just me scrolling through the HTC Sense UI, which is definitely much better than the Moto Blur that was running on my Droid X. So far I'm pleased. I've used Sense before on the Incredible, so it wasn't really that new to me. Now I just kind of want to show you the shining feature of this phone. That's the 4G. As you can see, that site loaded in like a second. So I admit it was cache, so that might help. So I'm actually going to show you opening the Buddha mobile site. Again, nice and quick. Granted, it's mobile. It should be fast, but in my personal opinion, it's definitely way quicker than running on 3G with my old Droid X. So let's see how the full version of entertainmentbuddha.com loads. Bingo! If any of you have looked at the site on a mobile phone before, you can attest to the fact that load time is definitely improved using Verizon's LTE network on my HTC Thunderbolt. Everything looks good, scrolling works well, orientation, so on and so forth. So again, speeds are stellar with this phone, no doubt. It's definitely a Thunderbolt and Lightning combo. Next up, what am I doing here? Okay, again, just showing you loading another full site. This is Comcast. So you can see these full sites load in, 2 to 3 seconds. So back to my home screen. Another new feature on the Thunderbolt is that on the drop-down menu, you kind of have that most recent apps used scrolling list that didn't used to be there. Giving you a look at the battery. Here we go, running a speed test. Now, I know you can't really see it, and I think this thing is ass backwards because what the test says is I got about 5.2 megs down, and then the upload it says somewhere around like 21 megs up. So there you go, 27.24. So that's a little fishy to me. I'm thinking the app might be backwards, but regardless, it's still fast as hell. So what I want to show you here is the arrow keys that are on this keyboard. I mean, I don't know if this is new to the Thunderbolt or to Sense UI, but I know the Droid X didn't have this with Moto Blur. But you see those navigational keys down there, the arrow keys. I can't tell you how nice it is to have those to scroll. Say you screw up some typing or whatnot, you can kind of easily place your insertion point there rather than stabbing it with your finger like a dummy. Again, another great thing about Sense on the Thunderbolt is your personalized menu. You can create your own scenes, which are pretty similar to Windows themes if you ever play with those. You can do your wallpaper. The other thing I like here is the skins, where you can actually reskin basically all the windows and the way they look on your phone. So here I'm changing back to the default HTC skin from my metal skin, and yeah, as you can see there, was running a little bit slow. I didn't remember skin switching being this slow, but yeah, I don't have any patience anyways, so okay, there we go. So you can see you can reskin, kind of make your scene look even different than it was before. See how the bottom bar changed colors. You can easily switch skins back. The only thing I don't like is when you do one of these skins, it brings in the default wallpaper for the skin. So you'll see here, I'll put my metal flavor back on. It's going to bring in that ugly washed out blue wallpaper, but no big deal. It can be fixed with a click of a button. Again, there's the loading. I hate that damn thing. Loading. Alright. So next up, let's go back to the web again, just show you the 4G speeds. So I'm going to load up a mobile site, ESPN. Again, look at that, snap of a finger. But, mobile sites should load faster. So let's go ahead and take a look at a Flash-enabled site. In particular, I'm going to be heading over to PopCap Games, the geniuses behind Plants vs. Zombies and Bejeweled and all that fun stuff that you waste your time on while you should be working. There I get my fat fingers, typing it in, pop cap, hit enter. Again, loads very quickly. I mean, you'd think I'm on Wi-Fi almost. That's how smooth the 4G speeds work. So, just show you how Flash works on the Thunderbolt. Go ahead and open up the little demo for Plants vs. Zombies here. So you can see, clicked on it, and it's up and running. No skipping around. Ran very smoothly, just like on a laptop. So the new Flash 10.2 seems to be working pretty well on the Thunderbolt. Oh, bucket heads. I still can't believe we don't have a version of this on Android phones, but can't win them all, right? Soil your plants, yeah, brains. Alright, last thing I want to show you, YouTube. Again, this showcases the speeds of the 4G network, or LTE. I'm just going to pick a random video here. Some goofball in his Call of Duty stuff, but yeah, look at that. Bam, right into an ad. Hey, it's not my fault. It's the video's fault. Flip it over into landscape. Good transition. Commercial's almost done here. And into the video. Again, couple spins of the wheel, and we're rocking and rolling. Video looks good. Sounds good. Overall impressed with the phone so far. I'll be doing a full review on the site, so make sure to check that out. And I will catch you later. Thanks for coming to entertainmentbuddha.com.